Fusion is the process at the core of our sun. What we see as light and feel as warm is the result of fusion reaction. Hydrogen nuclei collide, fuse into heavier helium atom and release tremendous amount of energy in the process. Atoms never rest. The hotter they are, the faster they move. In the core of our sun, temperature reaches 15 million degrees Celsius. Hydrogen atoms are at a constant state of excitation, colliding at very great speeds. The natural electrostatic repulsion that exists between the positive charge of their nuclei is overcome, and the atom fuse. The fusion of light hydrogen atom HH produces a heavier helium atom element. The mass of resulting helium atom is not the exact sum of two initial atoms. However, some mass has been lost and great amount of energy have been gained. This is what Einstein formula equal to mc squared describe, amount of energy created by a fusion reaction. 20th century fusion science has identified the most efficient fusion reaction to reproduce in the laboratory setting, the reaction between two hydrogen isotopes deuterium and tritium. The DT fusion reaction produces the highest energy gain at the lowest temperature, which is 10 times higher than HH reaction at sun core.
So the temperature inside the ITER tokamak must reach 150 million degrees Celsius in order for the gas in vacuum chamber to reach the plasma state and for the fusion reaction to occur. The ITER tokamak will rely on three sources of external heating that work in concert to provide the input heating power of 50 MW required to bring the plasma to the temperature necessary for fusion. These are neutral beam injection and two sources of high frequency electromagnetic waves. Neutral beam injectors are used to shoot uncharged high energy particles into the plasma, where by the way of collision, they transfer their energy to the plasma particles. Before injection, deuterium atoms must be accelerated outside the tokamak to a kinetic energy of 1 mega electron volt. Only atoms with a positive or negative charge can be accelerated by the electric field. For this, electron must be removed from neutral atoms to create a positively charged ion. The process must be reversed before injection into the fusion plasma. Otherwise, the electrically charged ion would be deflected by magnetic field of the plasma cage. In neutral beam injection system, the ion pass through a cell containing gas, where they recover their missing electron and can be injected as fast as neutral into the plasma. So it's all about kinetic energy. The neutral beam injector accelerates fast neutralized deuterium particles into the plasma. Thank you.